it's Jo from Time for Tea Designs, bringing you my very first YouTube video. I really hope you like it. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the Fluffy Kitty Digi set. As you can see here, there are 4 digis in the set, 2 fluffy ones, one with a smile, one without, and some sentiments. You'll also get a smooth short haired kitty, which you can see here can easily be resized. I'm now going to be showing you how I coloured up the first of my fluffy kitties using Copic markers. I'll just turn off the sound and give you some music so that you can watch as I colour in. Hey again, so I'm back now just to talk you through how I put together my card. I wanted to emulate the sentiment, which is an extract from the Rainbow Bridge poem. I didn't have any rainbow cardstock or paper, so I decided to create my own using inks. I've used the Memento Dewdrop inks, and I'm just showing you there some of the colours that I've used, although I'm not sure you can quite see them on here. So I will list them below after I've uploaded this video, but I started with the Ladybug Red, I'm just doing the dandelion yellow now, really blending that in. I'm using some super smooth cardstock. I couldn't tell you where it was from, I'm afraid. It's something that I had in my stash. The next colour that I'm using is Pear Tart, which is a really nice acid kind of green colour. I really like this one of my favourites. Again, just really blending that in, and I'm taking my blending tool from the side of my card so that I don't get any real heavy streaks. Really want a smooth blend on there. The next colour I'm using, as you can see there, is Danube Blue, and that has come out a really nice colour, a different colour to how it appears on the front of the packaging, but that mixes really well. And again, using that same technique of bringing it from the side and into the middle so that you get a smooth blend. I did do a test run on another piece of cardstock that wasn't as smooth. I didn't get as good a blend, so I would recommend looking for some really good smooth cardstock for anything like this. I'm now using the Grape Jelly, which is the purple shade of ink, across the top, and blending that into my blue as best that I can. I was a little bit heavy-handed in the top right hand corner, you'll see there. I wasn't very happy with that, so I spent a bit of time trying to blend that in as much as I could, but I think that was pretty much the best that I could do. I'm just wiping up the area around so I don't spread that anywhere else. And now I'm just giving the card a spritz of water. I've slowed this down a little bit so that you can see a little bit of what I'm doing, although it's not the best view. I'm just, after I've sprayed, I'm then just patting it with some paper towel so that I can get some of that water and it leave some fine dots. I'm just looking there to see if I can see the effect that I want, and I didn't have it, so I went back in with some more water and the towel again to see if I could get a better look. So now I've just been away and I've used my heat tool to dry that off, and that got a much better result. The difference came out much better after drying, and you can see a few of the spots there. Just adhering this onto my card blank. This is an A6 card blank, top folding. These card blanks will be available in the shop soon, so that's an exclusive for you there. And now I'm just looking and positioning my my elements. So I've cut out the image of the fluffy cat with my Fiskars scissors, and the sentiment I've sized in my Word program and then cut out using a stitched die. This little piece of pearl ribbon I found in my stash, which I think worked really well. I wanted to keep the layout really simple and let the sentiment really do the talking. So I'm just positioning my pieces there and using some foam to attach everything to my card blank. So my kitty sits there in the middle, and then some more foam tape on the back of the sentiment just so that I get a nice raised effect. I'm putting plenty on the back there because I don't want it to bend or warp in the middle or get squished in the post. I'm just eyeballing that, popping that in the middle there of the card. So now for some embellishments, and I struggled with my sequins. They were sticking to my fingers and just getting myself in a bit of a mess, but I managed to find the colours that I wanted and move them around, place them where I wanted, and then use my Quickie glue pen just to stick those down, and using the end of my glue pen just to make sure they've got a firm grasp onto the paper, so that I wasn't using my fingers and getting them all stuck together. Just to position a few more on there, and then that will be my card complete. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It has been my first one, so I hope it's been okay for you. There will be some pictures coming up of the completed card. If you like the video and you'd like to see more, then please do subscribe to my channel, and the links to my Etsy shop where you can get hold of your own kitty are in the comments below. Thank you ever so much for watching.